Struggling with cluttered bathroom shelves or cramped kitchen corners? Imagine a sleek, sturdy solution that frees up space without the hassle of drilling holes or damaging your walls. The 4-tier bathroom shower corner shelf offers exactly that. An easy way to organize your essentials while keeping your space stylish and tidy. I installed this shelf in my bathroom, and the difference was immediate. Crafted from solid, durable space aluminum, it's both waterproof and rustproof, so it holds up perfectly in steamy, wet environments. The brushed finish looks modern and classy, and it cleverly hides water spots and fingerprints, meaning less cleaning and more time enjoying your space. What really stood out was the no-drill installation. Using patented, powerful glue and waterproof self-adhesive stickers, the shelf stuck firmly to my smooth shower wall without leaving any marks. Just make sure to clean the surface thoroughly with acetone or alcohol before applying, and give it 72 hours to set. If you prefer, the included screws offer a secure option for heavier items, making it flexible for your needs. Beyond its sleek look and damage-free setup, this corner shelf can hold up to 50 pounds when installed with glue, so you can confidently organize your shampoo, conditioner, soaps, and even kids' bath supplies without worry. Plus, it comes with 8 removable hooks you can position anywhere on the shelf. These hooks are perfect for hanging shower scrubbies, loofahs, or even kitchen utensils if you decide to use the shelf in your cooking space. When it's time for a change, removing and reinstalling the shelf is simple. Just slide a blade behind it to lift it off, then stick or screw it back wherever you want. If you're looking for a hassle-free, high-quality solution to bathroom or kitchen storage, this 4-tier corner shelf is worth a look. It combines smart design with practical benefits, durability, easy installation, and versatile use, all backed by an unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. If that's you, try it when you're ready and see how much more organized your space can feel.